How many hours are required to get my EB1A from the Smart Green Card program? The answer to this is dependent on your efforts, the intensity of the efforts that you put in. But let me give you a ballpark number. From historically speaking, anecdotally speaking, from the other cases that I've helped become successful, in general, folks treat it as a part-time job. They invest about 10 to 15 hours a week on average. I'm not saying like every single week, but on average, that's what they invest. And that helps them build their profile in a very consistent manner to eventually get the EB1A. However, as part of the VIP plan, we help you build your profile in a much more streamlined manner, where we try to overlap a lot of this profile building aspect onto your general course of work itself in your day-to-day workplace, and that make sure that you do not invest a whole bunch of time outside your workplace in the pursuit of your EB1A. Of course, in case of many companies that are very restrictive in the information they share and stuff like that, you might have to invest more time outside of your regular workplace. But our goal is to be in line with your priorities in life and keep those priorities in mind, and despite that or in spite that, help you get your EB1A. So that's how the Smart Green Card program works. If you invest about 10 hours or 15 hours of time per week, in general, we have seen that the VIP plan has helped folks be successful in about 12 months. Formally, we do say 12 months, but internally, our team is committed to the more intense target of about 8 to 10 months. That's how we operate. It takes a lot of effort to make these videos and bring it to you to help you out in your immigration journey. So please like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and click the bell icon so anytime I publish a video about the EB1A, you get notified and you are well prepared for that journey. In a world where you get a lot of gyan as advice of, hey, do this, do that, do this, these are like 10 different paths where you can go get your green card, or these are 10 different paths where you can be successful. I am here to filter out the nonsense for you and give you a no BS, very tactical advice to how you can go get your EB1A and save yourself decades of green card wait. As with all other videos on this channel, I hope you like this video as well. It'll be quick, to the point. Stay tuned.